It's Tamika.
And Cindy.
From Sister Saving You Cents.
Y'all know it. Welcome back, Scent Savers.
Welcome back.
We are so glad that y'all are here. Y'all know what day it is. It's Walmart Fridays. We don't do Walmart Wednesday around here. It's actually
Thursday.
It's Thursday. It's Walmart Thursday.
I thought it was Friday all day too, y'all. So.
Yeah, it's okay. We're just ready for the weekend. Tamika's birthday. Whoop whoop. Is on what day?
Saturday.
Yes. Happy birthday, sister. Anyways, the point is that we have a couple great deals, some things that we're going to be testing out today. We do have a weekend warrior bonus.
Yeah.
I got the best one this time.
She did.
Not the best one, but out the two of us, the best.
Yes, she did.
Mine is $5 for 15 offers. Let us know what y'all got down below. I've seen a lot of different variations.
I got $1 for 10.
That's not a good one. And then
but it's usually $1 for 15, so I'm happy.
Yeah, so I'm happy too because I rarely get a $5 15. I did get what did I tell you? What was the bonus? The box tops bonus, y'all.
I had that too. Mine disappeared.
Yes, mine popped back up today. So if you got that, let us know.
I might have it.
If you've never done it before, I don't know if this is like you can do it more than once type of thing. It probably is just a one-time deal. I've never done it, so I'm going to be doing it today, and we'll be doing a breakdown for that today. But y'all, we're just about to go in here and get these deals.
Y'all, it's extra busy because it's spring break over here for these children.
Extra,
and
it's packed.
Easter weekend.
Yes,
so,
but we're still going to try to make it shake and bake.
We're going to do what we can do. All right, y'all.
All right,
we're
y'all.
We're going to head on in. Guys, so the first one of the deals we found this week is the Sweet Earth Pizza. Now it has 75 cents on it, but we're going to use this $2 coupon, $2 pilly, guys. Use the $2 pilly, submit to Ibotta for $2 back. It makes it $2.34.
Yep.
Okay.
And this is our cheapest one, y'all.
Yeah, they have other ones too. You're looking at $2.46 up to $2.46, but this is a fantastic deal.
Yep.
So yeah, pick it up, guys.
Oh, these are vegan too, I think.
Yeah, they are.
Organic mozzarella. Maybe not this one, but most of their items are, so healthy items.
Okay, guys, back again with the burritos. These are $2.78. Look for the $2 pilly. And then submit to Ibotta for 75 cents. Makes these bad boy 3 cents. This is a fantastic deal, guys.
Got to
pick them up. Look, and then also we have the dinners again. Use the $2 pilly. They're $3.98. Hey, $1.98. You submit to the Ibotta for $1 rebate. Makes them 98 cents.
Yeah.
So these are great. So hopefully y'all can find these pillies. So this is another one for your bonus, guys.
All right. Y'all, so y'all know what time it is. We have a brand new freebie in the app, so hopefully you guys got this. So it is the PF Chang's home menu signature dresses. That's all I know. All right, so ours are priced at $3.28. We have a $3.52 back on Ibotta, making these completely free, plus a 24-cent moneymaker. We're picking up these Dynamite Ranches, y'all. We can't wait to try them. Look at Tamika go. All right.
Yeah. Okay, guys, this is a little deal we got on these That's So Tasty grow your own spices. Okay, they're $2.98. We got 75 cents back on Ibotta, makes them $2.23. This is kind of exciting, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up
this, y'all.
Some cilantro and my Ibotta just skin floor. But they also got parsley, guys. So
yeah,
picking
they
these
got
up.
cilantro.
Rosemary.
I said cilantro?
I don't know who cilantro is.
Rosemary, mint, and I think that's it, and parsley, like Tamika said. I think I'm getting cilantro. That's something I use quite often. But the thing is, y'all, once you get it, you just keep regrowing it and regrowing it and regrowing it. So it's definitely worth the investment, y'all. So pick them up.
Hey guys, so we have a Mueller's pasta deal. There are a lot of different pastas, guys, but it is busy in here. So they're $1.38. You're going to pick up 2 of the $1.38 ones. You're going to use the 55 cent off of 2, and it says $2.28. Then you're going to submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back off of 2. Makes it $1.46 or 73 cents each. This is a pretty good deal if you need pasta and you only got a Walmart. So
yep, if you only go to Walmart.
That's it.
Yep.
Pick it up, guys.
All right, y'all. So the next deal is on the Annie's macaroni and cheese. The reason why we're talking about this deal again is because of the box tops bonus. What I'll let you know is there's a lot of rebates that work for the box top bonus if you have it. I'm going to do this one because it's going to be the cheapest one and the one that our store actually has in stock. But it does expire within a day, so you would have to do it within the next 24 hours. Anywho, guys, let me proceed. So we're going to be picking up 2 of the Annie's mac and cheese for $2. Use the 50 cent off the 2 printable coupon, y'all. You'll pay $1.50. You'll get back 40 cents on Ibotta because I have 20 cents per box back. And then we're going to follow the instructions in the app, y'all, for the box top bonus. You got to enter a code, download the app, scan your receipt. That's basically the instructions, but just make sure you're paying attention to the code that you have. It makes these completely free plus a 90-cent moneymaker. So it's a really great deal if you have not already done your box top bonus or if it showed up again. All right, y'all, pick it up.
Yeah, I guess I am.
Y'all, we found a deal.
Oh, yeah. Look, y'all. It's these large multigrain cherries with real strawberries, guys. Okay, this is the family size. Now, look, you're looking for these pillies, guys. They all over the place. $1 off one box, okay?
Yes.
Then you're going to submit to Ibotta for $1 bag.
Yes.
Then you're going to submit to Fetch for $1 bag.
Absolutely.
Makes these 64 cents.
Did we say 64?
64 cents.
Family size, gluten-free with real strawberries.
We is excited about this.
We is excited.
Hopefully y'all can find it. Check
Absolutely.
your Fetch. Make sure you check your Fetch, guys, for the expiration date. Cindy's is different than mine.
Yes.
So check your Fetch, but hopefully y'all find this deal.
Yep.
Great deal.
All right, y'all. We have a deal, and this is on the Sargento balance brakes. They're priced at $3.18. We are looking for these pillies, these balance brakes, $1 pillies, y'all. Okay. Only get this if you can find the pillies. $1 off. We got a $1 Ibotta rebate, makes them just $1.18. This is not bad because it's really hard to get these for a good deal, like a good price.
It's not bad.
So it's just not bad. Half price is a great deal. All right, y'all.
We got a deal on the Purdue shortcuts. Now, our store only carries one variety. There's 3 varieties, so find 3. They have $1 back on Ibotta for each variety, and then we have 208 the shop kicks, scanning kicks, guys, which is 5 scanning kicks. I don't know what I'm talking about.
It's 5 something.
So yeah, $5.20 makes it 90 cents each. Okay, so remember you look for 3 varieties: the grill, the seasoned, and the original.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
And there you go.
Yep. Great
Fantastic
deal,
y'all.
It's
And I
real
use
good.
this to make my fettuccine Alfredo.
Yeah.
And my homemade ACP, y'all.
Yeah.
So just let you know.
They
pretty
do
good.
work. All right, y'all.
All right, y'all. We got a fantastical deal. We're excited about these Huggies special deliveries. Size 1 only. That's
Size
the only one that
1
works.
only.
That's the only one that works.
I just want y'all to know.
It's $9.98. We have a $3 Ibotta rebate, $3 back on Fetch, and use a $2 off of one coupon from SS314, $1.98.
Did you tell them they was $9.98?
$9.98.
Yeah, they're
Okay.
That's what you're looking for.
$9.98, $3 Ibotta, $3 Fetch, and yeah, use a $2 coupon, $1.98. But one's only, guys.
Yeah.
Fantastic deal,
It's
y'all.
a fantastic deal. Make sure you check your prices too, because ours were not marked correctly.
Yep.
All right, y'all.
Okay, guys, so this deal is on the little gravy cat food trays. They're 94 cents.
Yeah.
We have $1.45 scan and kicks from Shop Kick. Make sure you scan in store. Makes them, it takes off 58 cents, makes them 36 cents each. All right, guys,
Yeah.
you got the cats. There you go. Got you some little gravy for your cats.
To me, it's so funny, y'all. What was I about to say? Any cat food I scanned it didn't work for me. Might work for y'all.
Yeah, check
but
it out.
that 10 cent, yeah, just in case. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. So the next deal is on these Zebra Z-Grip 7-pack pens, y'all. These are priced at $2.94. We have 2 rebates that work on this. One of them is on Checkout 51 for $1.50. And then there's also one on Swagbucks for $1.50. You just have to buy 1 on each platform, guys. So these should be completely free, plus a 6-cent moneymaker. So this is a great deal. And we're going to test it out just to make sure it works. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. So the next deal that we have is on the Old Spice. We're out of the body wash, but ours is priced as $1.47. This is the trial section, y'all. So just pick up 1. We have an offer on Shopkick that is $2.46 back. So to get all your kicks and scans, you'll need to scan a Old Spice large size body wash and then submit the receipt for this one. So it'll be completely free, plus a moneymaker, y'all. So it's a great deal, and I'll pop up a picture so you can see what size I'm talking about.
So we got an okay deal. We're going to say okay on the Tom of Main Children's toothpaste. We never get deals on this, so we have $1 back on Ibotta, $3.44. Then we have $1 back on coupon, printable coupon on the coupons.com app. So it makes it $1.44. So if you use this toothpaste, that's a good deal.
It's not bad.
Because at least you're getting $2 off. See what I'm saying? So
Listen, we're just going to move on down here because this is the next deal, which is the Colgate Renewal, y'all. So we had this deal previously a few weeks ago. Ibotta rebate has reset for $5. So fantastic. It's $6.96. We have a $1 coupon in the paper or $1 on coupons.com app. I think it's the app. Anywho, y'all. And then we have
$5 Ibotta rebate.
Well, yeah, that's not the point. We got something back on Shopkick, y'all.
Yeah, we got something on Shopkick.
It ends up making it completely free plus a little bit of a moneymaker. Just keep that in mind. The
24-cent moneymaker.
There you go, 24-cent moneymaker, y'all.
$1.20 on Shopkick.
All right.
Fantastic deal.
So if you haven't scanned in store, we already scanned, so I can't scan again. Great deal, y'all. All right, y'all. So the next deal that we have is on the Dove. This is the Skin Defense and the Care and Protect. So you're looking, honestly, for the bar soaps, y'all, but our store does not have them. So pick up 1 of each of these. They're priced at $5.94. We have dollar printable coupons on the Dove website, so you just have to sign up. And then we have a bundle deal on Shopkick where you're going to get back a little over 1,500 kicks for scan and kicks. Ends up being $6.14 in total, y'all. So you'll end up paying $3.87? $3.74 for both, or $1.87 each. Now, keep in mind, if you can find the bar soaps, they're like $4.97, so it's going to be $2 cheaper for the most part. but we just wanted to bring you this deal because we thought it was a great one. All right, y'all.
Okay, guys.
Y'all. We're back.
Out of Walmart.
All the coupons that we did use were completely fine. We didn't have any issues. No peely issues, no nothing. So that's a plus. There are a few things we have got to talk to y'all about, which are, what's the first? Oh, the Buy Boost.
Buy Boost drink. It's we think it's $1.98 and we get $1.99 back.
Yes.
From Ibotta, so it makes it free plus the 1 cent money maker. We can't find it, y'all.
Yeah, but our average price is $1.98, so that's what we just think it would be. But like we have said before, because y'all have said it too, like we feel like Ibotta comes out with stuff before it even makes it to our shelves. Like we found the Annie's birthday cake today.
Mad about that.
Okay.
We mad.
Yeah, we're not happy. But anywho, that's okay. So that's one thing. There are a few other deals that we wanted to tell you guys about that our store didn't, sorry, my eyes itching, that we did not have in stock. What was the first one? I didn't forget.
The toothbrushes.
Okay, so there's a Colgate toothbrush 2-pack, priced at $2.97. I'm gonna put up the picture so you can see what I'm talking about. It is attaching to the $1 Oral-B rebate, and we have a $2 coupon
in the P&G.
In the P&G. It should work. The coupon could beep. It would make it completely free plus a little 3-cent moneymaker.
Yep.
What's another one? What was the other one? The Mamba.
The Mamba candy. The chewy
Mamba candy. They're $1.08.
Yeah, it's like 50 cent off of 2 Ibotta rebate.
No, it's $1.08 off of 2. It's a BOGO offer.
Yeah. So it makes them half price when you buy 2.
Yeah. And there was one more, y'all.
It was.
Oh, the Febreze Plug-In. Okay. So the Febreze
Plug-In
is one of those scan offers. So there's these new scan offers that are coming out. It's linked in the list. So you just pick up one for $2.94. Follow the instructions on the in the little thing when you do the
link.
Yeah, you just type your number in. They'll send you a link, and then it'll bring you like a little thing that you can just scan right in the store.
Yeah.
At the register. Just follow the prompts. They did not have any in our store, so we couldn't even show you how that works.
Yeah.
But that's it, guys. Those are all the deals that we have for this week. We hope that you enjoyed the video.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Absolutely.
Have a great day. Bye.